Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cubase Pro on your Windows PC or laptop. Fast, simple, and step-by-step. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in with your Steinberg account, because you'll need it later to activate Cubase. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Steinberg Cubase webpage. I'll leave the link in the video description to make things easier. On the page, click Try Cubase Pro for free. Sign in to your Steinberg account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, go to the Download section and click Download for Windows. This will download the Steinberg Download Assistant, the tool that manages all Cubase Pro installations. When the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. If Windows shows a security prompt saying, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes to continue. A setup window will appear. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and then click Install. The installation will take a few moments. When it's done, click Finish. You can delete the installer file if you want. The Steinberg Download Assistant should open automatically. If it doesn't, open your Start menu and search for it. Now log in with your Steinberg account. On the left sidebar, select Cubase Pro 15. You'll see a list of components, virtual instruments, sound libraries, tools, and demo projects. To install everything, you'll need around 70 gigabytes of free disk space. But if you only want the main application, you can install just Cubase Application. That's the option we'll use in this video. Next to Cubase Application, click Install. The download will begin. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, click the small downward arrow next to Install Again and choose Open Folder. This will take you directly to the installer files. You'll see a zip file there. Right-click it and select Extract All, then click Extract. Open the extracted folder. Inside, double-click the setup.exe file. If Windows shows another security prompt asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes. In the installer window, click Next. Review the Steinberg End User License Agreement. Click Next. Then make sure no change is selected and click Next again. When the installation is finished, click Finish to complete the setup. Now open the Start menu, search for Cubase, and launch the app. The first time you open it, Cubase will ask you to activate your license. Click Sign In, and your activation will sync automatically with your Steinberg account. After activation, Cubase will open normally. And that's it. You've successfully installed Cubase Pro on your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.